How to zap on MagicSea. Zapping allows users to enter or withdraw from a farm directly without going through the step-by-step procedure of providing liquidity or splitting your LP token. By selecting a token, our smart contracts will automatically handle all the necessary steps, simplifying the user experience. But just follow to see how it works. Launch the app. Then connect your wallet. Click on Earn. The V2 farm page will open. I want to go into the USDT Shimmer farm, so I click on the arrow and then on Deposit. A new window opens up where you can either deposit your LP like on other dexes, or you choose to zap in. That comes in handy when you only have one needed token. In this example, since I only have SMR and no USDT, I choose to zap in with 2,000 Shimmer. Below that, I get an explanation on what is going to happen now. First, the zapper will swap 1,000 Shimmer for roughly 12 USDT. Then it will provide liquidity to the USDT Shimmer pool to receive a USDT Shimmer LP token, and then it will deposit the USDT Shimmer LP token into the farm. I confirm. Now I zapped into the USDT Shimmer farm with one click, even though I only had Shimmer in my wallet. But you can not only enter a farm with the zapper, you can also withdraw with it. By clicking on Withdraw, a new window opens. Here I can choose how and what amount of the LP token I want to withdraw. I want to zap out all my LP token. First option is to just withdraw the LP token as is, without any additional actions. Second option is to remove the LP and split it 50% into USDT and 50% into Shimmer. Third option is to remove the LP and convert everything into USDT, and the fourth option is to remove the LP and convert everything into Shimmer. For this example, I choose the last option. I have to do 2 transactions. First, unstake the LP, and then confirm the trade. Zapping really simplifies the user experience if you want to get in or out of a farm. This was how to zap on MagicSea. Follow us on Twitter, check out our decks under MagicSea.finance, and if you want to learn more, watch our other videos. See you soon.